Hello. Hello. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be building a workbench, which you could see here. We bought it for Harbor Freight. Wow. We always wear eye protection so you don't poke your eyes with anything, or especially with sharp scissors. That's the most thing you gotta watch out for poking your eyes. This is my eye protection that I usually wear. That's why you gotta be careful with sandwiches and sharp things so you don't poke your eyes. Shopping cart. Yep, it's easy to pull and okay, bye-bye. This is the end of the show. See you in